If you need to share a Mailchimp template with another account, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to send a saved Mailchimp email template to someone else, either by email or by URL. This is a super useful workflow if you manage multiple accounts, collaborate with a team, or want to reuse a design without rebuilding it from scratch. So if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Let's jump in. First, go to Mailchimp and sign into the account where the template is saved. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left side and click Campaigns. This is where Mailchimp keeps a lot of your email-related tools, including templates. After that, click Email Templates so you can open the template library. Now you'll want to click on the Save tab. This shows all of the templates you've already created and stored in your account. Find the template you want to share with another account, then click the small drop-down menu next to it. That menu gives you more actions for that specific template. From the options that appear, click Share Template. Mailchimp will open the sharing page for that template. On this screen, you'll see options for how you want to send it. If you want to share it directly with a person, enter their email address in the field provided. Make sure you type the correct email, especially if you're sending it to a different Mailchimp account. Once the email is entered, click Share Template. Mailchimp will send a template sharing invitation or access link to that recipient. If you prefer not to send it through email, you can also use the Share by URL option. This is great if you want to copy a link and send it in Slack, chat, or another messaging app. After clicking Share by URL, Mailchimp will generate a shareable link. Copy that URL and send it to the other account or team member. They can then open the link and access the shared template from there. This method is often the fastest if you're working with a collaborator or moving designs between accounts. And that's it. You've now learned how to share a Mailchimp template with another account using Mailchimp's built-in sharing options. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and it can save you a lot of time when managing email campaigns across multiple users or brands. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more Mailchimp tips in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.